Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Veteran. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life and enjoying the videos which I share with you on my channel. As you know guys, I bring these collection and ideas to give you complete picture of crochet patterns which are nowadays in fashion. I just make sure that you don't miss out any kind of information and kind of collection regarding crochet, so that's why I make these videos to share with you. I hope you are liking all the videos, all the collection which I am sharing with you and which I have already shared on my channel. If you like the collection, please let me know in the comments. Let me make more video according to your liking, according to your needs. Please give me your feedback through your comments so that I can just make more video accordingly. All the collection and designs and pattern which are included in my channel are really amazing, and you will definitely love all the designs and pattern. If you're planning to make something about with your crochet for you or your loved ones or anyone to just give as a gift, so you can just come to my channel. You will find hundreds and hundreds of ideas of crochet and patterns, and you just don't need to go to different kind of website, don't want to search from the Google about the ideas. um, just come to my channel. You will find all the collections regarding crochet, and you can enjoy the collection, and you can share these amazing collection with your friends so that they can also use these ideas and make their own crochet projects. As you know guys, that these kind of collection, these kind of patterns are really and nowadays, and you can just make these amazing book covers with crochet. You can make anything with crochet. The crochet patterns has no limit of designing and patterns. You can make anything with crochet. If you want, you can just make these amazing book covers, and all the covers which are included in this video are really amazing with beautiful color combination and patterns. You will definitely love the design, as you already liking all the videos which I am sharing with you on my channel. As you know guys, I just bring these information and collection to give you ideas, and I just make sure you don't miss out any collection, any design which is made with. All the designs which are included in this video are really amazing, and you will definitely love all the designs. And guys, if you want to make something with crochet and you want to have ideas, you just come to my channel. You can find all the designs, as there are so many collections included and posted there. And guys, please let me know about your views on the and your feedback through the comments, so that whenever I make any video, I just keep in mind what kind of things you want to watch. So it will help me to make amazing videos for you, and you will definitely love all the designs which I will share with you. I hope you are liking the designs which are included in this video also. All the book covers are really amazing and really beautiful pattern, amazing color combination with 3D flowers on them. They are looking really great. You can make these book cover to give as a gift to your loved ones. There are so many designs. You will definitely love making these amazing book covers for your books, or you for give as a gift to your friends and family. And guys, please share these videos with your friends so that they can also use these ideas for making their crochet projects, and they can also enjoy the collection. And please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post any video, you get the notification and you can just watch and enjoy the collection on time. And you can see all the designs are really eye-catching, and you will definitely love, because the color combination and patterns are really amazing. You can see the designs are already really interesting. You will definitely love and like to make these amazing book covers for you and your family members. And I just bring these kind of book covers and all the things made with the crochet to give you complete picture about the things which are in fashion nowadays and really trendy, so that you can just have the new collection in your mind when you start making new color your crochet projects. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the designs which are included in this video, and please stick to my channel. Wait for upcoming videos. You'll be watching amazing designs and collections in my channel, and thanks for giving your valuable time to my videos. Thanks a lot.